Kuthiwa bazobona iRedbull yethu. Ubani abavumela iCabernet ngoba sebefuna ukuhamba nayo. Libashaye kancane ke ngoba phela ngazi uba uthi abahambe neRedbull. Bebe ngathi bezoyibuka kuphela bona.
So lento esiyenzile bafethu akusinto emangalisayo ukuthi ungazi ukuthi wow hayi bafethu into esijwayele. Kahle kahle lo 2-0 lona is not enough. That's why asijabulanga kahle. Besifuna u5 or u6. Sikhombe Kaizer Chiefs hola mthuthu ukuthi iMilford ishawa kanjani.
Congratulations to Orlando Pirates. Sanjabulela ku 3 point win enitholile. Yeah, and it's number 1 for now, but nje yeah, engifuna ukusho nje ukuthi we remain unshaken. We remain unshaken. Asina indaba nokuthi kwenzakalani emaceleni kwethu. Thina sifocus nje kuthini on our journey. That's what we're focusing on. Not what's going on kwa next door, kwabani. Thina sifocus ekuthina nje shame. Nathi sizoyiwinela ngendlela yethu. Sizozenzela nje nathi umsebenzi wethu ngendlela yethu. So we just focus, we remain unshaken. That's the word of the day. We remain unshaken. Yes, Sanjabulela, but we remain unshaken. We're not scared of anything. See, focus nje kwi-journey yethu. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, lokho nje.
That's how champions win games. Yes, that's how champions win games. It was ugly, but it was for the win, for the win, for the win. We don't care, baba. Qalile kumshikashiya. Mnyama ngebala. Hlophe ngenhliziyo.
Mabhakabhaka ngiyazi ukuthi sijabulile sonke. Sithi siqala nje isizini esivula igame sesiyawina. Hayi sijwayele phela thina leyo. Kanti besisuke sisholana ukuthi lokho shaka hambe ngoba besidliwa amagame eqala.
Yo, we've got another 2,000 to deal with. But I warned you. I said Mufokeng leaving is no difference. It makes room for Denson. After that standstill he did to Ronan Williams, I know what to expect from him. And look, Busquets taking touches in the midfield, under pressure, turning players, ball control, calm under pressure. Even at one stage, I saw him dribbling 3-4 players, getting out of pressure, and the press that Milford were coming with. Denson, we're going to survive another one. We just let go of one. Denson must leave. We cannot have and 2,000 control the midfield battles. No, Denson, it's time, my brother. I've seen enough 2 games. I knew after Sundowns that goal, I said already, it's going to be a problem. Big problem. Linesmen are in trouble this season. My team, Bayern Milford, High Line. Hey, when last time we seen a high line in the Betway Premiership? High line. Any ball over offside. Even 1 or 2 the linesman got wrong. But that's what it does, that high line. Sundowns the only one playing it, if I remember correctly. Now, Milford, toe to toe. And now I told you guys, this season, Milford is going to be a problem. Top 8 finish for Milford. I'm saying it now with my chest. No fear or favor. Hey, Police had a shaky game. Scoring the free kick, which was a deflection. Besides that, Pirates did not create too much. Weren't as threatening as I expected them to. But I was expecting a 4 somewhere there, because Pirates in that slaughterhouse where they slaughter animals and allegedly. But yeah, it was an okay game. Milford, you got into such promising positions, but you're overdoing it. Trying to be fancy, doing fancy flicks. Keep it simple. And that's what killed Milford today. It was just the inexperience of the Betway Premiership. Pirates could see it out, grind it out, and then Moremi is faster than everybody. See, that's the problem with the high line, is the Pirates got speedy players. One ball over the top that can break that whole system. Because if Moremi is gone, you're not catching him. If Moremi breaks the line, just stand and watch him and see what the outcome is. You're going to try to sprint back, you're going to pull a hamstring. But yeah, Milford, well played for a debut. I'm not too mad. Just yeah, some decent chances, man. And Pirates made mistakes here and there, but it's okay. The first unsuccessful hate watch, but it's alright. I'm not too upset because it's a result we all expected though.
Opening game of the season and the Orlando Pirates isivele yavulela induku lapha esigodini kubulawa eMilford. Ayikho ke into emangazayo ngalento eyenzeke la, into ebesivele silindele on paper. But we would be lying if we said this was an easy game for the Pirates. In fact, they made it so hard for themselves. They almost made some costly mistakes. Lapa emuva, a bit of complacency in the defense. If they were playing against a much more clinical side, the Pirates bizobulawa ngenduku. But luckily for them, Milford was able to capitalize. There is one thing I loved about the Pirates though in this game is that they were trying to feed their striker. They were intentional with that, especially on the first half. If you noticed, Umremi bedlala kwa right most of the time in the first half. And the intention for that is for him not to cut inside. Because if he cuts inside, edlala kwa right, uzovela ngo left, which is his weaker foot. But if edlala kwa right, it gives him the ability to put in those crosses first time for Umbuthuma or Radiopane to capitalize as the striker. And sibonile the amount of crosses iPirates bizama ukufaka eboxini, whether it was Usibelebele, Umremi or Dion Hoto. So they were intentionally trying to feed their striker, but unfortunately it wasn't to be. One thing Milford did so well was not allowing all of the Pirates to play football. Because if they allowed them, they were trying their best to press. On the likes of Cameron Tansin, on the likes of Tito, because they were trying so much to squeeze the pitch to make it as small as possible so that Orlando Pirates The second goal, it's a typical example of when you are 1 goal down and you're trying to push upwards to try and get that second goal. You play a high line, you leave a lot of space in behind. A team like Pirates will capitalize. Ball over the top by Usiema. Umremi makes a beautiful run and he scores that goal. Nice start by Orlando Pirates by getting the full 3 points. Let's see what happens in the game. But in Milford, not a bad performance for first timers. We bet you a premiership.
Salman Buffett. After a game I just feel like this team is gonna give Amayama team in King. Yeah, Lamachita Kini Paula. Yabona the moment Joe Boni team bakwazi ukudlala ibhola phasi, being a small team and playing ibhola phasi against ama big opponents is mfana just know ukuthi uzoba ne flop. Because at some point the reason why these guys considered the second goal, they wanted to pin Pirates back. Like they wanted to pin them back. Baba buyisele mo bohlala le and attack Pirates. And Pirates, what was like, what Why do football fast? Keep it past Usiema. Buga nje keep Usiema pass. Run in Muremi goal. Yabon. But if they get Matimalele, bazoba inking. I don't see them being relegated. Cheaper, you must watch out. Yeah, so I'm actually talking. If you're paying now, I mean, I would see. And then I said, a second carry ball, second party ball, these cards. My party ball, if you see 1 or 2 passes, abantu pass abantu. Ungafuni ukuthatha ibhola ugijime nalo usuke nale sense ufuna ukungena epalini. Yakufike lapho ufika si engine seyibhomile. Okufika lapha so ungasokwazi ukuqabanga uma usushaya into yakho, which is some of the things izobezenzeka la. And another thing, decision making amachita. Shake back mntwana, shake back. Scan ground mawushaya iranda. Ubona ukuthi okay, amachita alana la. Mawuthi khipha le pass ta ushaya back. Uthole player la kwashaya back uneza ama opponents hayi. Yabona? Yama flop bayenza le decision making phambili. Yeah, defensively they were not really tested. iPirates man. Yabona? Zona za defender ngibonile plus kunomunye umchite bambiza ngoshaka la. Shaka Stones abanye azanke ngibabone kahle. Yeah, cause ngiyahlupa basisebasha. Sothi kuya ngokuya sibajwayele. But they have like good players. Yabona abantu abakazodlala ibhola. I just love abantu abakazodlala ibhola. Hawo ncanana. Abantu abakazodlala ibhola so yeah. I don't see them being relegated. They just need to sign 1 or 2 players. Abane experience, yabona. And I believe transfer window is a and I know they will loan them maybe 1 or 2 players from the big teams, or they might sign 1 or 2 free agencies from the big team, then bazoba sharp.